Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix a common network sharing error like 0x80004005 or 0x80070035 that usually appears after updating to Windows 11 24H2. If you are unable to access shared folders or network drives, then this video will help you fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type pedit.msc, then press enter. This will open the local group policy editor. Now click on Computer Configuration. After that, click on Windows Settings, and a drop-down will open. Then click on Security Settings. After that, click on Local Policies, and then click on Security Options. Now, on the right-hand side, find the option that says Microsoft Network Client, Digitally Signed Communications, Always. Double-click on it. A new window will open. Now select Disabled, then click on Apply and OK. Disabling this option allows compatibility with older network devices that do not support signed communication. Now, in the left panel, click on Windows Settings again to close the drop-down. Then click on Administrative Templates. After that, click on Network. Now scroll down and click on LAN Workstation. On the right-hand side, find the option called Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Double-click on it. A new window will open. Now select Enabled, then click on Apply and OK. This step allows your system to connect to shared network devices that use guest access, which is commonly required for older PCs or NAS devices. Now close the Group Policy Editor. These settings help your system properly communicate with network devices and fix authentication-related issues. Once you have completed all these steps, close everything and restart your computer. After restarting, try accessing your network drive or shared folder again. The error should now be fixed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.